Would it be possible for you to make anywhere from $10,000 up to $100,000 or at least 6 or 7 figures a month at any moment in your lifetime, and why not spending or exchanging your precious time and energy for money? Well, here's a list of 11 passive income ideas that you will thank me later for sharing them earlier with you. I'll be explaining them from the least to the highest based on what kind of value you have to offer and how profitable these passive income ideas could be, and rating them on a money scale, whereas 1 star will stand for the least, while 6 star will stand for the most profitable passive income idea. But first we have to understand what does passive income really means. Well, passive income is simply when you get to invest somewhere. It could be your time, energy, or your money. Then in return you start to make a profit from your investment without you yourself having to work for it. Meaning you could be earning while you are sleeping at the comfort of your home or enjoying your precious time with your family. That means your time and energy is no longer attached anymore with how you are making money. Starting with passive income idea number 11 is selling stock photographs. Some of you have a huge albums of photographs on your mobile phones, not knowing that you are sitting on a pile of big cash. Now you can get paid a good amount of money by selling your photos if you want to. Websites like Dreamstime, Shutterstock, iStock Photos allows you to sell your photos on their website. Speaking of how much you could possibly be making depends on how many photographs you will be uploading on this website. For example, by uploading on websites like FOP, you can earn as much as $5 or above just for a single photo, simply because there is no limit of how many photographs you can sell.
It's really quite simple. You take a picture with your phone, you upload it, which is free, and then this company FOP in turn sells the picture as a stock photo on their website for $10 a pop, and you get to keep half of that money. But you can sell a photo an unlimited amount of time, so potentially you could earn much more than $5 for a photo.
In this passive income idea, I'm giving it 1 star out of 6 on a money scale. Passive income idea number 10 is to earn by shopping online. Now, if you are the type of a person who enjoys buying to test and experience new products, new gadgets, and other stuffs like clothes, shoes, handbags, you name it, well, you could be making a sweet good amount of money by simply shopping online. Websites like Yazing and Instacart will pay you for shopping on their website. Speaking of how much you could potentially be making, depends on the value amount of money you spend to buy a particular product. Website like Yazing is willing to pay you a cashback reward of 20 up to 80% worth the amount of money you spent to buy a certain product from their website. This passive income idea receives 2 stars out of 6 on a money scale. Passive income idea number 9 is selling stock video footage. Websites like Vimeo, Wirestock, and Pond5 lets you sell your video footage on their website. So if you have any original video footage recorded that could be about nature, for example waterfalls, birds, insects, or anything else like eating, jogging, studying, you can make good amount of money by selling them on this website. On average, you can expect to make around $1,000 per month. I'm giving this passive income idea 3 stars. Passive income idea number 8 is to invest in mutual funds. Now you could possibly be making a good amount of money passively by simply investing in mutual funds, whereas you buy some shares from stock markets like Vanguard, Fidelity, iShares, but I highly recommend you to buy either gold, silver, or oil, and hold them for a period of time, simply because these precious metals have a tendency of appreciating over time and time again before you sell them later and make profit from them. I'm giving this passive income idea 4 stars out of 6 on a money scale. Passive income idea number 7 is to start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is simply an online business model, whereas you sell goods without buying them first. You simply enter a contract with a supplier who will send the goods directly to your customer. You can do this from the comfort of your home. Only what is needed is you should identify the products you want to sell. Choose a specific niche is highly recommended. Next, you want to find reliable suppliers like Etsy, Shopify, who are willing to dropship on your behalf. And when you are good to go, you simply find the customers. You set up your website to accept credit card payments, and finally you start making good money from dropshipping. A well-established dropshipping business sees revenues of around $30,000 on a monthly basis. On a money scale, I'm giving this passive income idea 5 stars out of 6. Passive income idea number 6 is investing in real estate. If you have enough capital to invest, you can start earning passively by investing in real estate, simply because people are being born every single day, and according to recent studies, it shows that a total number of 385,000 children are being born every single day. That means the world needs more and more houses to live in. Now, when it comes down to real estate business, investing in the densely populated areas is highly recommended, and this idea of finding a spot area which are densely populated to invest in comes from my mentor Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. How much money you could potentially be making from real estate, it is enormous, but when you get to find a good tenant, because they will pay your rent on time, while having a bad tenant is not going to work out, so choose wisely. On a money scale, I'm giving this idea 4 stars out of 6. Passive income idea number 5 is selling merchandise. Now you can start making some serious Serious cash using online stores like Shopify, Etsy, AliExpress, Craigslist or eBay. Whereas you sign up and set up your online store, choosing the products that are trending and of course ones that has high demands on the marketplace like technology, fashion, fitness is a good way to go. You would be able to sell goods like t-shirts, hoodies, mobile phones, bags. On average, you can possibly be making around $20,000 every single month. I'm giving this passive income idea 4 stars out of 60 on a money scale. Passive income idea number 4 is to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply a way you can make money by promoting brands, products and services online. What you have to do is to simply sign up on affiliate programs like Digistore24, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Fiverr, to name a few. Once you have signed up on this website, you go through your account dashboard. There you will find the different categories of products you would like to promote, and most affiliate programs like Digistore24 offers a wide range of products of different categories. You'll be able to find almost every niche of your interest, such as like fitness, technology, fashion, digital marketing, education, to name a few. After signing up and choosing a product or service to promote, they will provide you with a unique referral affiliate link. This link is used to track any person who buys a product or subscribe to a services via your link. So your only job will be to share that link, and the way to start is sharing in social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Quora, TikTok, Reddit, or on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. However, if you have a well-established audience that you have already built, you will likely stand a good chance to make more money doing affiliate marketing. So by sharing, when any person buys a product through your link, you make a commission on every single sale. Speaking of how much money you could be making with affiliate marketing, I can confidently tell you that you have a good chance of earning 4 or 5 figures. For example, affiliate programs like Digistore24 can offer you a commission that goes up to 80% on every single sale you make. This passive income idea receives 5 stars out of 6. Passive income idea number 3 is to sell online courses. Now, if you have any knowledge, skills or expertise in any field, whether it is about finance, LC, personal development, I mean anything that you are good at, and you would like to share with other people on the internet, you can do this exactly, but this time you'll be making money while doing so. Whereas you sign up on online platform like Kajabi that will help you to turn your skills, expertise, coaching into an online course. The good part of this is you don't need any experience doing this. Kajabi handles everything from sales page, membership area and the mailing list. Your job is to start accepting payments. Speaking of how much you could possibly be making by selling online courses, this is a list of YouTubers who are doing exactly this. For example, Matpa sells his online course at $1,000 for a single person. Another surprising example of entrepreneur who does this well is Ali Abda, who charges a $2,000 per single person in signing up for his course. And in fact, there is other online entrepreneurs who charges even way more money than these 2 examples we have here. Rating this idea, I'm giving it a 5 stars out of 6 on a money scale. Passive income idea number 2 is to become a blogger. This has no big difference like owning a website, whereas you get it started by using platforms like WordPress, GoDaddy, to name a few. You can start by using either a free or a paid account. To use a paid account, you get access to get a domain name of your choice, customize your blog to appear more professional and appealing to most of the people visiting your page. And this is my recommendation: when you are starting out, consider choosing products or services falling into these categories: fashion materials, finance, technology and relationship, simply because these niches have a higher demand than most of the rest, and most advertisers find it more profitable to invest in these niches. So the advertisers bid way more money in these niches. What does that mean to you is that you would potentially be making so much money either from the people buying your product or subscribing to your services, and from the ads revenue coming from advertisers who displays their ads on your content. And according to recent studies, it shows that bloggers from India on average they make up to $200,000 of revenue on a monthly basis, which is crazy high. Of course it is. I'm giving this passive income idea 5 stars out of 6 on a money scale. Passive income idea number 1 is to start a YouTube channel. Now, here is where the true online riches are found. Now, to some of you, you may have seen people on YouTube who are living luxurious and glamorous lifestyle. But so many people think this is not true, it's just a scam. My friend, this is not a scam. This is a reality. According to recent studies, it shows that becoming a YouTuber is becoming one of the most desired jobs in the world. Now, if you have no any idea about YouTube, YouTube. YouTube is the second largest searching engine in the world after Google, and Google by itself owns YouTube. The ways you can leverage to make passive income from YouTube are enormous, but it all starts with the profound of making videos which advertisers are willing to display their ads on them. You could be making thousands of dollars in a single month coming from the Google ads revenue alone. Now wait a minute, there is something else we have not put on the table yet. In fact, there are myriads ways of how you can start making passive income from YouTube apart from the ads revenue alone. For example, you can make money through affiliate marketing, selling your online courses, sponsorship deals, email marketing, selling merchandise, super chats and super stickers, Patreon. I mean, there is a tons of other ways you can leverage to make passive income from YouTube, and by far YouTube is my favorite platform to make all of this a reality. Do you know that the youngest and the richest YouTuber is a 13-year-old young Kaji, whose net worth is estimated to be about $30 million of revenue a year? So this is it. Don't again get yourself into thinking that making money on YouTube it's a scam. Think of it as an online business model, whereas you can tap into and you can make great wealthy and fortune for yourself. Rating this straightforward, I'm giving YouTube a 6 stars out of 6 on a money scale. And if you have stuck to the very end of this video, you are a legend. I really appreciate you. And if you don't mind, would you kindly subscribe to the channel and spread love by giving this video a like, I mean a thumbs up, cause it helps a lot. And also remember to check the description of the video down below. There you will find so many resources you will ever need to start doing some of the ideas we just went through. And finally, if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel, consider clicking these videos that pop up on your screen. There I'll explain to you a step-by-step guide on how you can create your own YouTube channel, and I will see you there soon.